Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Bitget. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, the features of their BGB token, some of the best wallets you can use, and so much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Bitget is a popular cryptocurrency exchange with more than 2 million users worldwide that was founded in 2018 by Sandra Lou. This exchange offers more than 330 trading pairs, VIP services, and a copy trading platform. Bitget is a popular platform for trading futures and spot markets, and you can also use this exchange for copy trading and strategic grid trading. You can easily increase your earnings with Bitget's high-yield staking programs and promotional offers. Bitget offers several referral rewards, and we recommend checking out the Bitget Launchpad and campaigns to see how you can win your share of their prize pools. Bitget is a popular exchange for spot trading, futures trading, strategy and grid trading, copy trading, as well as margin trading. Bitget offers more than 250 cryptocurrencies and altcoins, and over 300 trading pairs. To view the cryptocurrencies and trading pairs Bitget offers, simply click on the Markets tab or create an account and download the applications to view this exchange. Bitget is one of our top-rated exchanges for beginners, and we recommend visiting the Bitget Academy after you've created your account. The Bitget Academy provides comprehensive guides on cryptocurrencies, blockchain trading, copy trading, and futures. You can use the Academy to learn the basics of trading before you deposit funds into your account. And it is also a great way to learn if you'll be using the copy trading platform. The Bitget application can be downloaded for free from Google Play and the Apple App Store, and can also be used on desktops, tablets, and laptops. This application has been reviewed by thousands of users, and it has very positive feedback and high ratings. You can use the Bitget application to trade more than 250 cryptocurrencies, and it has an intuitive dashboard that makes it easy to invite your friends and earn rewards. You can also access the Reward Center and stake crypto with BGB Earn. The Bitget application can also be used to easily configure copy trading on your profile. And you can earn free cryptocurrency by completing tasks directly from your mobile device. You can find direct download links for the Bitget applications by opening the homepage and scrolling down, or you can choose a link from the bottom of the homepage under the Applications menu. If you'll be using a crypto trading platform for the first time, we recommend reading Bitget's Beginner's Guides to get you started and help with setting up your account, making your first deposit and trade, as well as using the copy trading features. Once you have created an account, you can either fund your account and start trading, or use Bitget's copy trading platform. If you are interested in copy trading, all you need to do is click on the Copy Trading tab and choose a strategy provider to follow. You can change the layout of the copy trading dashboard and view it as a list or as a grid. And you can filter your search results by ranking, the number of followers a profile has, total profits and losses, or by return on investment. With BGB Earn, you can earn more for holding BGB tokens, which is Bitget's native token. You can buy BGB directly from Bitget, and once you own BGB tokens, click on the Earn tab and select the BGB Earn option. If you would like to support upcoming blockchain projects in their early stages, you can buy newly listed tokens from the Bitget Launchpad. You can also submit your projects to Bitget to get access to a thriving network of social influencers, global exposure, and tailor-made campaigns for your projects. Bitget also offers VIP and institutional services, and with Bitget VIP, you can use exclusive API trading tools, competitive trading conditions, low fees, dedicated customer support, interest-free credit for spot trading, and customizable daily withdrawal limits. To see how you can increase your earnings with Bitget, head over to the Rewards Center and choose one of the offers. You can earn coupons for completing your KYC verification, for trading futures and spot markets, for making a deposit, and for copy trading. Bitget also offers several types of referral rewards, and you can easily invite your friends and earn rewards directly from the mobile application. To stay in the loop and get expert insights into managing risks and trading crypto, we recommend bookmarking the Bitget blog page to access all the latest market news and articles. The native token of Bitget is the BGB token. There is a total supply of 2 billion Bitget tokens. The BGB token is an ERC20 token and is used as a bridge to DeFi, NFT platforms, and Web3. It is also used as a reward mechanism for BGB holders. BGB can be staked to earn interest, and BGB holders also get discounts of up to 20% on trading fees. You also need to own BGB if you want to use the Bitget Launchpad, and holding BGB will get you invites to Bitget's exclusive events. Bitget does not currently offer a proprietary wallet, so we would recommend transferring your assets to a trusted third-party wallet. The wallets we recommend using are Trust Wallet, the Ledger Hardware Wallet, and the Coinbase Wallet. Trust Wallet is free to download and use, and supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. Trust Wallet is a fantastic option if you'll be collecting NFTs, because you can store them in this wallet. The Ledger Hardware Wallet is available in the Nano S and Nano X models, and using Ledger Live, you can buy and exchange over 5,000 coins and tokens. This wallet offers secure offline storage. It is compatible with 50 third-party wallets and can store up to 100 decentralized applications. The Coinbase software wallet supports more than 4,000 digital assets and offers a built-in decentralized application browser. It can also be used to store NFTs and integrate seamlessly with the Coinbase exchange. All you need to do is create a Bitget account and link your wallet address to your account. You can easily create an account with Bitget in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the Bitget homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, verify your email address and your account, and don't forget to submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified, set up, and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. With Bitget, you can buy crypto through the peer-to-peer exchange or buy it directly using third-party payment applications and crypto deposits. You can also buy crypto using your credit card. If you would like to buy crypto with your credit card, Bitget guarantees fees that are 90% lower than most other cryptocurrency exchanges. Bitget offers 24/7 multilingual online customer support and one-on-one dedicated support for VIP customers. We recommend visiting the FAQ section to access the live chat button and dozens of helpful guides and articles to help you get started. You can also submit feedback directly from the website, and if you are new to trading, we recommend checking out the Bitget Academy. So, what do we like about Bitget? Bitget is a great option for first-time crypto traders, copy traders, and institutional clients. This exchange offers high-quality educational content, updated market news, and hundreds of trading pairs. We recommend Bitget to anyone who is interested in spot trading, strategic trading, API trading, and/or futures trading. You can also use the educational content and research material provided to learn more about crypto, even if you're not trading yet. So if you are interested, be sure to open your Bitget account today and get up to $4,000 in Tether as a new client. And if you want to claim a referral bonus, be sure to bring a friend along with you and get a head start on your trading career with one of the leading online exchanges in the industry. And that is our overview of Bitget. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.